Ndorana Chuma, who is the man who is said to have unalived the wife and kids, has been caught. The one who was in England, who lived there with the wife and kids. I just got the news right now that that man has been apprehended in South Africa, Kensington, and he had a gun on him. And you know what? We took out, I'm saying we because I'm talking about South Africans. We took out a notice, like they say. Klenda told us on the news just now that the notice was just put out this morning, that we need to watch out for such and such a person in regards to such and such. You know, I did report on it. You can go to my other video where I was talking about what he did. This man unalived both two daughters and a wife, 3 people in England, and ran for his life. And it was said then that he went to Zim, only to find out that he is right here in South Africa with a gun. And remember, when they said he was in Zim, that's where he boarded a plane from England to Zim. Maybe he went to Zim, and then after that he decided to run this way. I'm in South Africa, right here in South Africa, in Kensington. That's where he was apprehended and he is arrested. So the family is already on their way to getting their justice, because he will be questioned and we will see how it goes from then. You know, it was just a few hours ago when I was reporting on this, mentioning that a man is on the run and the job has been made a lot easier because now he is in custody. We wait to hear what will go on after that, because we have a family that's grieving in England for their daughter who is 42 years old, who was married to this man. And like I said earlier on my previous video, this man was supposed to protect this woman, not unalive her, with her 2 daughters. You know, now we're not grieving only one person, we're grieving a whole wife and 2 kids. Let me know what your thoughts are. I just came back with an update, a short and brief update of what is going on. We are happy that the person who committed such a gruesome crime has been caught and justice is on its way, and the family will feel some sense of relief going forward. So yeah, that's all I came here for. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and if I find out something else more that's happening surrounding this issue, I will definitely quickly come and update you. Let's talk on the comment section, and kindly subscribe and like the video. See you on the flip side.